The Story of Country, perfect for baby buckaroos. Deep in America's heartland, country music made its name. Hank Williams was the first bright star in the Country Music Hall of Fame. Patsy Cline, she drove us crazy. Her songs were strings of pearls. She shook up country music and kicked down doors for the girls. Tammy Wynette stood by her man. She sang of loss and loyalty. When she and George Jones sang duets, they were country royalty. Merle Haggard had such swagger, he was a bad boy through and through. He knew how to push the limits, but he always stayed so true. Charlie Pride had hits for sure, 29 songs at number one. He's still out there performing, he's nowhere close to done. Loretta Lynn was tough enough to rule the country scene. This coal miner's daughter was a real life country queen. They called George Strait the cowboy. Texas King, he raised the bar. He's Garth Brooks' inspiration. That's another superstar. There's no one quite like Johnny Cash, only he has walked that line. His voice is unmistakable, his star will always shine. Dolly Parton is a legend, from her music to her hair. From Hollywood to Dollywood, she sparkles everywhere. Still touring in his 80s, Willie Nelson broke the mold. He's got that something special that unites fans young and old. Shania Twain's a household name. These days she's still the one. Carrie Underwood's our idol, and her shows are always fun. These country stars all fly the flag, their music makes us proud, and they inspire young hopefuls to sing their dreams out loud. The end.